Good evening everyone. Akshavi Trends, super duper live. Thank you. Iniki gada viewers are coming. Super thank you. Hi Revati Karthik. Hi Sujata Gandhi. I'm super Sujata. I'm super duper. ரொம்ப நல்லா இருக்கேன். ஹாய் பிரியா உங்கள் ஸ்டெட்டு நான் வந்து ஒன்ஸ் ஷாப் ஓப்பன் ஆனதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த ஸ்டெட் நான் தேடி கொடுக்குறேங்க பிரியா உங்களுக்கு ஷுவரா. ஹாய் ஆனந்த், இப்போதான் நினைச்சேன் இன்னும் உங்கள் லைவ் வரலேன்னு. ஓகே, இன்னைக்கு மார்னிங் கொஞ்சம் ஒர்க் இருந்ததுனாலயா ஐ ஹேட் டி. சைத்ரா ஐம் சூப்பர் ட்ரெஸ் கலர் சூப்பரா, தேங்க்யூ. இதில் பின்னாடி ஒரு மோட்டிவ் இருக்கும், பியூட்டிஃபுல்லாக ஒரு லேடி மோட்டிவ் இருக்கும், ரொம்ப அழகாக இருக்கும். ஹாய் ஜேம்ஸ் லோகா. ஹாய் மீனா. ஹாய் ஐஸ்வர்யா. ஹாய் ஹாய் ஓகே. ஹாய் வலர் பிரசாந்த். ஸோ வீல் கம் வித் லைவ் டுடே, பியூட்டிஃபுல் செஷன். தேங்க்யூ பிரியா ஃபார் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்டிங். ஸோ இன்றைக்கி லைவில் நிறைய கலெக்ஷன்ஸ், ஆல் பட்ஜெட் ஃப்ரெண்ட்லி கலெக்ஷன்ஸ். நிறைய பேருக்கு யூ லுக் ஸோ ஃப்ரெஷ். அப்படியா? மேபி நான் நல்ல ஃபேஸ்லாம் வாஷ் பண்ணிவிட்டு கொஞ்சம் ரிலாக்ஸ் ஆகிட்டு இன்னைக்கு ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணேன். தேங்க்யூ ஜோதி. ஸோ வி ஆர் கோயிங் டு ஷோ டுடே வெரி நைஸ் பட்ஜெட் ஃப்ரெண்ட்லி கலெக்ஷன், நெக் செட்ஸ் அண்ட் ஜும்காஸ். பார்த்தீங்கன்னா நிறைய பேர் கேட்டுட்டு இருந்தீங்க ஏடி ஜும்காஸ். உங்கள் ட்ரெஸ் சூப்பராக இருக்குமா? தேங்க்யூ ராஜேஸ்வரி மேம். ஸோ இந்த மாதிரியான ஏடி அமெரிக்கன் டைமண்ட். குட் ஈவினிங் ரேணுகா. இந்த மாதிரியான அமெரிக்கன் டைமண்ட் ஸ்டெட்ஸ் நிறைய இன்னைக்கு காட்ட போகிறேன். ஸோ ஸ்டே டியூன். ரெடிமேட் ஆர் ஸ்டிச்? நோ, ஐ நெவர் கெட் ரெடிமேட்டா. சுப்ரியா, திஸ் இஸ் ஸ்டிச்ட் இன் விஷால்ஸ் பொட்டிக் அண்ட் டிசைனர். நான் பின்னாடி காட்டுறேன் பாருங்க, இட் வில் பி வெரி நைஸ். இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு லேடி பேட்ச் இருப்பாங்க. இட்ஸ் லைக் ட்ரைபல் பேட்ச் இருக்கும். ட்ரைபல் பேட்ச் இருக்கும். திஸ் இஸ் ஃப்ரம் விஷால்ஸ். இது வந்து விஷால்ஸில் எடுத்த சல்வார் தான், அங்கே ஸ்டிச் பண்ண சல்வார் தான். ஹாய் கல்பனா. ஹாய் சூப்பர். ஹாய் சஜிதா ஷயத். தேங்க்யூ ராஜேஸ்வரி மேம். தேங்க்யூ ஸோ மச். நேராதாண்டா இருக்கு. ஒரு வேளை நான் லைவ்ல வரும்போது மட்டும் தப்பா வைக்கிறேனான்னு எனக்கு தெரியல. மேம் ஓகே மேம், டோன்ட் கால். ஆக்சுவலாக இப்போ எல்லோரும் வீட்டில் இருக்கிறதுனால இட்ஸ் வெரி டிஃபிகல்ட் டு மெயின்டைன் த கிட்ஸ் அண்ட் ரெஸ்பான்ஸ். கைண்ட்லி மெசேஜ். எல்லா வாட்ஸ்அப்புக்கும் ரிப்ளை பண்ணிகிட்டே இருக்கோம். இல்லாத ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ்க்கு மட்டும்தான் நான் ரிப்ளை பண்ணுறதில்ல. பிகாஸ் ஃபியூ ப்ராடக்ட்ஸ் ஆர் இன் ஷாப். ஐ குட் நாட் நோ த ஃபேக்ட் இருக்கா இல்லையான்னு தெரியல. ஓகேவா? அதனால் நான் ரிப்ளை பண்ணியிருக்க மாட்டேன். ஐ எம் சாரி. And ever there is a shipping charge. நிறைய பேர், if you are a newcomer, kindly understand shipping charges additional. You have to add 100 rupees for Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, Andhra, Telangana and other states we charge 150 to 200. but இப்போ வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா pandemicல like Maharashtra, Delhi, Jaipur and all we are charging 200 because 175 பக்கமா it's coming. லைக் கொரியர் சார்ஜ் மட்டும். அப்புறம் பேக்கிங், we do very nice packing. see this is a packing with the bubble sheet paper. உங்களுக்கு வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா யாருமே இந்த மாதிரி பேக் பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. எங்களோட பேக்கிங் as Swati, our packing is best. see I will just show you. we do keep a bubble wrapper beautiful. we keep closed. we bubble it and we put it in இப்போ நிறைய you get like the flip covers illaya in online shopping la, you will get that cover inserted with fragile nice sticker. Akshavi Trends oda beautiful sticker oda உங்களுக்கு open video is must அப்படின்றது தான் Akshavi Trends oda beautiful packing here. So I will show you one more day how our packing will be. Wait, I will show you. I will show you tomorrow. Hi ma'am, good evening. Received my order. It is super duper. Thank you so much a lot. Superb quality and good packing. Thank you. Our packing is very very unique. Your product will come very beautifully because this bubble sheet will give you more safe to your product. More safe to your product. And one more request, we don't have any return policy, we don't have any exchange policy, but any transit damages ఇప్పుడు వచ్చి మీకు వచ్చి ఏదైనా ట్రాన్సిట్ డ్యామేజెస్ ఉన్నాయి అట్లా అంటే మీరు ఓపెన్ వీడియోస్ పెట్టారు అట్లా అంటే మీకు ఖండితంగా ఎక్స్చేంజ్ ఉన్నాయి. సో ఇఫ్ దర్ ఈస్ ఎనీ డిఫాల్ట్ ఇన్ యువర్ ప్రోడక్ట్, that is open video. Once you get the product, you have to take a video and send it to us. If there is any default, 100% there will be an exchange. Other than that, no exchange or no return policy with Akshavi Trends. Other than that, everything is taken care before dispatching. We are telling all the cares and do's and don'ts. Okay. Hi Nagaratna Ramesh ma'am, good evening. Okay, we'll go for the live today. Very beautiful session, all budget friendly collections. So many asked for budget, really awesome shield mask. Thanks a lot. Bhuvi Perumal, thank you for your feedback Anna. Thank you so much. These are the budget friendly collections. You will get Ruby. Hi ma'am, I need 2 size bangles. Rudra, wait for 2 days, I will give you 210 bangles. Okay, this is a ruby set, ruby pink color stone with American diamonds white color. You will get it with earrings, 750 rupees. Everything is a single piece. 750 plus shipping. 750 plus shipping. You will get it. See, this is a ruby stone with AD. This is 750 gold polish. Gold look, you can see. Gold look. చాలా బాగుంటుందండి. మీకు వచ్చి చూస్తే దీంట్లో మల్టీ ఉన్నాయి అండ్ రూబీ ఉన్నాయి. చూపిస్తాను చూడండి. Very pretty, very. Kripa, good evening. Lavanya, good evening. This is the earrings you will get for this set. It's very pretty. You will get nice tilagam shape pink stone with American diamond stones in the upper layer. Okay, in upper layer you will get 1 American diamond stones. Thank you so much for your reviews. நிறைய பேர் review கொடுத்திருக்கீங்க, நிறைய பேர் எனக்கு share பண்ணிருக்கீங்க. I am thanking you all whoever shared my video. I am thanking you. Without your support it is 100% not possible. And thanks for your thumbs up, thanks for your ads and all for encouraging me continuously. Thank you Nirupama ma'am. That green color nanikra, you got your green color set. Thank you. I think pink color. Yeah. This is only for 750 rupees. You will get a nice floral design earrings and white stone. 1 minute, I will show you in the back camera. This is the earrings. This is the earrings. You will get pretty 750 rupees. Okay, Christina Anthony ma'am, we will check. Few products has been stuck in courier center in Bangalore. We will check it. Christina ma'am, immediately message to my WhatsApp. I will just check it because lot of product is not delivered. It is your eating having akka. புரியல. உங்க couriers எல்லாம் நிறைய courier officeல இருக்கு. Kindly give me a hi. I will check it Christina ma'am. 750 rupees. Next color multi color. 1 minute. Multicolor. Hi ma'am, I'm Priya. I need ma'am. Very nice. Ma'am, kindly Sunita. Thank you ma'am. Kindly call to the customer care immediately please for all your bookings. This is the multicolor which I'm wearing. See, this suits with my dress. This color will go for all the dresses. இது வந்து இந்த கலர் எல்லா ட்ரெஸ்ஸோடையும் செட் ஆகும். Pink and green color 750. You will get nice earrings to this. Same pattern multicolor earring. மேலே வந்து 4 stones of AD, கீழே floral design. This is also 750 rupees for all your bookings. 7339588688. 7339588688. This is a very pretty. You will get nice American diamond stones. American diamond stones. No, my earring is not available. ஒட்டியானம் பார்க்குறேன். இங்கே வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மேலே உங்களுக்கு ஏடி ஸ்டோன், ஆல்டர்னேட்டிவ் பிங்க் அண்ட் க்ரீன் கலர் இஸ் தேர். வெரி பிரிட்டி பீஸ். ஐ ஹவ் காட் 3 கலர்ஸ் இன் திஸ். இன்னொன்று க்ரீன் கலரும் இருக்குது. ஃபார் புக்கிங் 7339588688. Even this will go for all the age. Even kids போட்டுக்கலாம், college going can wear, ourselves நம்மளும் போட்டுக்கலாம். Because no, this is very peculiar and unique set. Suits all the neck. இது எல்லாரோட நெக்கும் very beautiful it will be. Awesome, and it is a gold polish. It is very very elegant and classy look. I've got 3 colors in this. I will show you. 3 colors ఉన్నాయండి. ఒకటి వచ్చి చూస్తే పింకు, ఒకటి మల్టీ, ఒకటి గ్రీను. ఎంబ్రిల్స్ ఉన్నాయి, చూపిస్తాను. This is embrils. These are very flexible ones. Very very flexible one. Embril stones. You will get 1 line of AD and all embril stones. All embril stones. Very very pretty. This is green color. Pink, green and multi available. Pink, green and multi available. You can book it 750 rupees. 750 you will get it. 750 rupees. So for all your bookings you can call to 7339588688. Okay. So I showed you all the colors. These are the colors available. You can book it. See, one is pink, one is green and one is multi. One is pink, one is green and one is multi. Only 750 rupees. You can book all. So hi ma'am, eppadi irukkinga? Romba nalla irukken. And one more thing I'll tell you. All couriers, Tamil Nadu, we dispatch in professional. Other states we dispatch in DTDC. If some areas is not there, we are dispatching through postal. And one more thing, other countries we are dispatching in DHL. So you need not worry about the thing. Till lockdown, just adjust with the tracking numbers. We will all send you the tracking numbers immediately. Okay. These are the colors available. You can book it. Okay, done. Next beautiful piece. This is without the earrings. I've got 2 colors in this. This is without earrings ma. Idukku earrings varadu. You will get 2 colors in this. Hi Anita. Thank you. This is pretty. This is gold polish. It looks like gold. You will get nice white color. This is a white color with beautiful pearls. You will get it. I have got 2 colors in this. Pink with pearl and white with pearl. 850. This is 850. Hi Shubhamati, 850 rupees. I have got 2 colors in this. You can book it. This is a pearl with white color. This is the gold polish. Gold polish. This is 2 colors I have got. You can wear for all the costumes. It will suit for salwar. It will suit for saris and all. This is very pretty. You will get with white with pink and pink with white. I'll show you in the back camera. Yeah, see. This is the 2 colors available. Similar, it's not same design. Both are different design. This is pink with pearl. This is white color, white with pearl. You will get 1 line AD stone in white. These are for 850 rupees. These are for 850. You can book now. Only this is all without earrings. This is a gold polish. You will get it. Gold polish. You will get it. Hi Uma ma'am. Thank you so much. Very pretty. Both this is all 850 range. 850 range, yeah. 850. Hi Anu Arora, thank you. Hi, my son name ma'am Shaktikala. Okay, your name is Shaktikala Devi. Okay Dhanakana. So this is all for 850. You can start your bookings 7339588688. Okay. So next set, it's very pretty. This also come for 850. 850. Oh Krishnaveni, I'm super. When I'm going to get my set from North India, Uma Kumar. I don't know North India. It's available. What do you want, Uma ma'am? Let me know. This is a green color with Annam. You will get beautiful earrings for the stud. இது வந்து குட்டி ஸ்டெட்டா தான் இருக்கும். Emerald stones. 850 rupees. This also for 850. 850. This is also 850. You can book it. Thank you for joining. Keep joining guys. Hi Kotha Anupurna ma'am, welcome. Lakshmi, welcome. Uma Kumarக்கு எனக்கு புரியல நீங்க மெசேஜ் அனுப்புனது. You just tell me, I will just check it Uma. Yeah. This is a very pretty set. I've got colors in this. This is full green. This is the earrings, that is stud. Very pretty. You will get it for 850 rupees. These are very cute and neat sets. Hi Yasmin. Very nice. You can see the prettiness. It will be very simple, thin layer and elegant ones. These are for 850 andi. Chala baguntundi meeku. China functions ki vesneku kolla beautiful ga unnai. Very pretty these all. You can wear for all the costumes. Okay. When ma'am, you see the message, no, when I'm going to get in போது நீங்க ஆர்டர் பண்ணிட்டு நாங்க அனுப்பலியோன்னு நினைச்சேன். I will send you the pic of the set in your WhatsApp. Okay Uma ma'am, kindly send it. This is a green color, yeah, very nice. No, only 850. Yep. I've got another color. Vanakkam Sagodari. This is multicolor. Multicolor. This is multicolor ma. This is multicolor. This is also for 850. You will get pink color set for this. Very nice. No, say hi to my Dr. Shama. Varunika, welcome Kutima. Hope you're fine and good. Stay home. I'm having blue sapphire. Yeah, I have blue sapphire in this. This is 850. You can book it. 850 pink color and a green combination. I have blue sapphire. I will show you. This is the blue sapphire. Very pretty. You will get it blue sapphire. With the stud you will get it. See. This is the stud. 850 rupees. Blue sapphire with Kutti Annam is there. See. Blue sapphire. Hi Meena Hemant. Hi Uma Kumar. Blue sapphire. This is for 850 only. See. Very very pretty blue sapphire. 850. You can go for a booking. 7339588688. This is a blue sapphire. 850 rupees. You will get an awesome earring for this. This is the earring with Annam. See. This is very pretty and awesome. You can use it. You see, blue is always pretty, you know. Blue la jewel vandave nalla irukku. It's very nice. See. This is for 850 rupees. You can book it. Idudha idoda earrings. See. This is the earrings. Oh, WhatsApp number is in the screen. 7339588688. See, very pretty blue sapphire. Tamil. See, I will show you all the colors now. Blue ku mattum da hangings irukku, mattadukla hangings kadiyadu. These are the 3 colors I have. Pretty colors, you can book it. Take a screenshot, come to the WhatsApp number 7339588688. Yeah, these are the matte finishing kana. Ellame matte finishing da. Thank you so much for your thumbs up. Thank you. Keep loving, keep sharing. Next one is, hi Revati. Next one is very pretty, very nice, like diamonds, diamond look. This is a very trending design. I love this design. Inga parunga. Super duper diamond replica design, ruby. You will get nice geometrical design. Hi Shruti. Geometrical design with American diamond stones. You will get nice earrings for this. This is a very pretty earring. See. This is a very pretty earring. You will get nice geometrical design. Ruby stone. Again one geometrical design. AD stone. This is a gold polish. Hi Surya. This is for 1750 rupees. I will just keep and show you. It will be awesome. It gives you like a diamond look. Very pretty and very classy and stunning look. 1750 rupees. I will just show you in the back camera. It is awesome. See it looks like a zircon stones. Hi Jayanti, geometrical design. Hi Selvi Lakshmi, your dress color very nice. Thank you. This is a geometrical design with American diamond stones with pink color stones ma. Very pretty. This is for 1750. And see the earrings. It is dazzling and alluring. See the earring. It's very nice. 1750. Sri Shai. Hi man. Thank you ma'am. Bhagya Lakshmi. Sonia, blur agada, no problem. Yeah, we can attach. Back chain is 70 rupees. back chain is 70 rupees, we can attach it. This is the set, you will get it for 1750. It is very unique and very stylish. It looks like a okay. Thank you Karpagam, thank you so much, thank you Shruti. చాలా బాగుంటుందండి, చాలా చాలా. ఇది వచ్చి గ్రేస్ లుక్ ఉన్నాయి, మీకు వచ్చి చూస్తే డైమండ్ తరనే ఉంటుంది. 1750, only one piece available, you can book it. Nice collections, these are very pretty collections. You will get it for 1750. See, I love the shape of the pendant and the circle design. It's very common, you can use it for any costumes. I'll just keep and show you. See, it give you a bold look, like a very rich look for you. See, and this is the earrings. And next one is a ruby, 1090. This is also very stunning look, only 1090. See, no, I will wear and show you. It is with zircons. See, இது வந்து it's like ruby, you will get zircon stones, real zircon stones. Hi Shama sister, Rekha Ramesh, unique collection, is good quality, nice finishing, equal to go. My daughter is a very big fan of you, and this is next 2 months. We have one marriage function, I need some collections for my daughter. Keep rocking. Thank you Revati Ramesh ma'am for your very beautiful feedback. Sweta Chaitanya, I welcome. Thank you. There are a lot of customers really love our collections, they give beautiful reviews to our products. இது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா you will get 3 lines of ruby stones and zircon stones. This zircon looks like very peculiar. Actually இந்த zircon வந்து அவ்ளோ நல்ல ஷைனிங்கா இருக்கும். See, very pretty. I love the earring. See, the earring is awesome. This is a zircon stone, 3 color, 3 ruby stones with white zircons ma. This is only 1090. See the neck piece, you can adjust as you want. Evlo tight ah venalum potu close ah potukla. 1090 andi, chala baguntundi, weightless ga untundi, weightless ga ఉన్నాయి, చాలా చాలా బాగుంటుంది. ఈ స్టోన్స్ అంతా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉంటుంది, చూపిస్తాను చూడండి. See how the finishing, awesome finishing, awesome finishing. You can go 1090 rupees, 1090. For all your bookings I have given the number, you can take a screenshot and come to the WhatsApp number, and kindly follow our page for all the latest updates. We are daily posting the products in the page. Next I will show some studs. You will love it, you will love it, and budget friendly. 590, very pretty. You will get nice emerald stone and 2 layer pearls buds. It's very cute and neat one, it suits all the costumes. 590, 590 rupees. Nice tilagam shape stone. You will get 2 lines of jhumka piece. 590. I will show you in the back camera. ரொம்ப cute-ஆ இருக்கு, இங்க பாருங்க. 590, ரொம்ப அழகா கோல்டு ஃபினிஷிங்ல உங்களுக்கு கோல்டு மாதிரியே கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. ஒரு green stone and 2 layer pearls. 590, 590. Thank you Uma Maheshwari Saravanan. 590. So don't miss to share my page, friends and family. என்னோட பேஜ் ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, அக்ஷவி ட்ரெண்ட்ஸ் பேஜ். கீப் சப்போர்ட்டிங் அக்ஷவி ட்ரெண்ட்ஸ். ஓகே, Next is cute AD jhumka with pink stone and white stone, gold polish, 600 rupees. 600 rupees. I will show this studs all in the back camera. Inga parunga. 600 cute mango design with AD stones, gold polish, 600. 600 rupees. You can book it today. These are like American diamond stones and looks like a diamonds. Romba cute, neat, alagga irukum. See? Very beautiful. You can book it 600. And see the pearl, you will get nice pearl drops here. Romba alagana pearl drops kuduthirukanga keela parunga nalla perusa dangling agum. It's like nice dangling design because everyone loves jhumka, right? Nice leaf design, pink stones, AD, very cute and neat design. 600. Sure Jayanti ma'am, I have ordered for that Lakshmi choker 1119 nenikren. I have ordered, I will give you. Kandipa kudukren 600. This is for 600. You can book it 600 rupees. Kandipa kudukren. I will give. I have ordered that product choker. I will give you. This jhumka is for 450. 450 rupees. This is also gold polish, very pretty gold polish with one pearls. This is also for 450. 450. Hi Lavanya. இதெல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு கோல்ட் பாலிஷ்ல ஒரு AD ஸ்டோன்ஸ் வெச்சு கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. 450 rupees. COD இல்லப்பா, cash on delivery இல்ல. 450. $450. Yeah. Next is screw back, 450. Gold polish with golden balls, 450. Everything is single pieces, ma. Screenshot, take it a screenshot. Come to the WhatsApp. Sheka Morgan, you asked for red and green combo. No, see, very pretty. This is a gold polish. Only with red and green combination. Hi Muthu Lakshmi with the golden balls. With the golden balls, only 450. Golden balls 450 ma. 450 rupees. Very pretty. It is a screw back. It is a screw back with the golden balls. You will get with the golden balls. Very pretty. Pink and green stones. Nice design with the screw back. Only 450. See, even you can buy for 1000 rupees and get 100 rupees shipping. It will be very easy for you. This is 450. For all your bookings, 7339588688. Leaf design, no God, nothing. No God, nothing. Only leaf design. Thank you Malvin. Today late live. Yes Malvin, I had some work. I want to go to my son's school today. So போயிட்டு வந்து பண்றதுக்கு ரொம்ப லேட் ஆயிடுச்சு. And coming with the red and pink, this is real Chem stones, 500. Chem stones. This is a Chem stones, cute piece, 500. இது ரொம்ப அழகா இருக்கு. I'll show you in the back camera. Wait. This is only 500. All Chem stones. 2 lines, pink and green, golden balls. அட்டகாசமா கொடுத்திருக்காங்க பாருங்க. 500 rupees. This jhumka 500. அழகான ஜும்கா, கோல்டன் பாலிஷ், கோல்டன் பால்ஸ், 2 lines of ஜும்கா கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. வெரி கியூட் ஃப்ளோரல் டிசைன். 500. எந்த ஏடி ஜும்கா குட்டி, எந்த ரேஞ்சுன்னு சொல்லுங்களேன், காட்டுறேன். Another cute piece. 650. 650. Very pretty and peculiar. Awesome piece. See the jhumka. Hi Shalini ma'am. This is a very nice American diamond stones with pink AD with pearls hanging. 650 ma. 650 rupees. $650 kanna. Ma'am, pendant, no, it is not there. It is in the shop. We are not opening the shop, so I cannot confirm the product. Wait for 2-3 days. I think next week will be opening. I will 100% give you. Okay. This is the biggest AD stone. Back side you will be like this only. Half the stud only will be coming. Okay, this is the earrings. 1000 rupees. 1000 American diamond stones. 1000 rupees. It is like different jhumka. 1000 rupees. 1000. Very pretty and full AD stone. If you want something nice, different AD stone with the pearl hanging, you can go for this. 1000 rupees. 1000. Very nice. See, 1000 rupees. Hi Ananya Vinayakam. Hi Kamakshi. Hi Dhanishri. Geeta Achu. 1000 rupees. చాలా బాగున్నాయి. మీకు వచ్చి చూస్తే అంతా మీ అమెరికన్ డైమండ్ స్టోన్స్ అండి. ₹1000. 1000 rupees. You can get it. Very pretty. I will post all the pics. Okay. Very beautiful. See. Nice, like, see, no, there is a very pretty one flowers, zircon stones, creeper design and all. Very nice. 1000. Yeah, this is baby pink. A baby pink. Very nice stone hangings. 650. You will get nice baby pink. Cute baby pink. With AD stone hangings. Inga pathina you can see AD stones. Very beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Pink color. Very pretty. See. Nice baby pink color with zircon stones, and the hanging is also with white stones. Pink. 650. This is 650. Thank you Ananya Vinayagam. Thank you. 650 pink color with white AD stones. I will post it, ma'am. I will post it all the pics in page. Yeah. 420. This is 420. 420 rupees. Multicolor with golden balls, flowers. So this is the last product of the day. Flowers with the golden balls. With the golden balls. Okay. So for all your bookings, you can contact us and book it. 73395886. We are doing 4 days to 3 days once on the couriers. We will give you the tracking number, don't worry. So if you want the tracking number very urgently, you can call to the customer care. So stay tuned. Tomorrow we are coming with dazzling collections. Keep shopping with Akshavi Trends. Bye bye. See you.